Good morning. It's way too late for me to say good morning. Oh my god. I apologize. It's not morning anymore. I've been relaxing. It's stormy. So I've just been on my phone. For literally, I slept until like really late and then I've just been on my phone. I think I want to go biking just to like enjoy the nature around here. Because where I'm at my mom's and where my mom lives is kind of on the countryside, not proper countryside, but kind of. So I just want to enjoy the nature around here. And then it's fall, and fall is literally my favorite time of year. So I'm gonna put on clothes, quickly eat some breakfast, and then I think we'll go. Kitty cat. Kitty cat. Baby, are you coming along? Baby. I'm so out of shape. It's so embarrassing. Oh my god. Sometimes, some part of that bike ride, I actually thought I was going to pass out because I'm so out of shape. I'm 18. How can literally just going on a bike ride make me that out of breath? So I'm just going to lay here, relax for a bit before I'm gonna go inside. I love the weather and the nature at this time of year. It's literally my favorite. And it is also one of my favorite months. My favorite months are October, November, December. Surprise, surprise, my own birthday month isn't even my favorite. I think it's because I love fall and I love Halloween and I love Christmas. So those three just became my favorite months. Anyway, I'm gonna relax and then I'm gonna go inside, get something to drink, and probably draw and just watch Netflix. Proper relaxation. I can't believe I come home to see that my cats have murdered a mouse. Now I have to clean that shit up. Don't play with it. Up there? Dear. You fall down. Oh my god. Are you okay? One cat saying hello. And you lost! Ha 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 ha. You're the loser, I'm the champion. No time for losers! Cause we are the champions of the world. Burger. Rasmus! Kassa! Hi, baby! Hi, baby! Hi, baby! Hi! Oh, such a pretty boy. I was in the middle of a stream and then suddenly my entire computer shut down. Oh my god. And I didn't even got to save the thing I was building. And I had a couple people that normally wouldn't be in my stream. Oh my god. Fuck. Did that really happen to me? Of course it did. Ugh. Okay, it's now 1 a.m. I've played, I have read on my phone, I have done a bunch of art, I've been on YouTube. All in all, this was a very relaxing day. So I guess mission complete? I don't know. I've been filming a lot of videos lately where I've been in my videos lately I've been doing stuff, so I thought, why not make a video just relaxing? Like this kind of day, I have like a couple. When I'm not too busy, this is how my day-to-day life is. Literally just drawing, being on my phone, relaxing. But I've been really busy with school lately, and the next vlog will also be me being really busy with school, cause yay, love that for me. But yeah, this will be the end of the video. I'm just currently trying to do a tiny bit of journaling. Yeah, I'm going to end the video here. I'm almost done with school for the year. Then I won't be starting. Well, I still have like two exams, and like some reports and stuff like that. But in like in November, I will be mostly done minus the exams. With school, so a lot of art related and just relaxation stuff will be coming. Journaling, art stuff, yeah, all that. Having some fun, not being as mentally tired all the time.
So like you could probably tell by seeing that in my journal it was November 11th. Yeah, November 11th. I'm really behind on editing videos, like really freaking behind. Yeah, that's all. I'll be editing them. Don't worry, don't worry. But I have a couple of videos from November that will be uploaded here in the beginning of December, and then we're gonna start on December stuff. Yeah, that's it. Bye. I suck at outros. What do you say? Subscribe, like, comment, all that. Thank you. That's it. Okay, bye.